Electric drywall saws are seriously a game changer when you're cutting overhead drywall and want to avoid all that nasty dust and hassle. So here's the deal. First, always set the blade depth just right to avoid cutting into anything behind the drywall, like pipes or wiring, because trust me, hitting those is a nightmare. Next, use one with a dust extractor attached. This cuts down on the dust cloud that usually gets in your eyes or lungs, which is not only annoying but super unhealthy. Speaking of health, don't skip on getting a good respirator, like a 3M with the right cartridges. It seals way better than a simple face mask and won't fog up your glasses. When you're cutting overhead, angle yourself so the dust doesn't drop straight into your face, but don't twist your body in awkward ways that'll kill your back later. Keep your work area well lit so you can see what you're cutting clearly. This helps avoid surprises like hidden pipes or plastic piping just chilling behind the wall. If you hit unexpected stuff, stop immediately and reassess. Rushing through cuts can cause damage or even injury. Clean your saw regularly because dust buildup can slow it down or make it less accurate. Lastly, always wear eye protection even if you think the dust extractor is doing its job. Better safe than sorry. One of the biggest mistakes people make with electric drywall saws is not adjusting the blade depth properly, which can lead to cutting into pipes or wires behind the wall. Fix this by measuring carefully and setting your blade just a little deeper than the drywall thickness. Another common issue is ignoring proper dust control and respiratory protection, causing irritation, foggy glasses, or worse. Silicosis. Always use a dust extractor and wear a quality respirator designed for construction dust. The third mistake is rushing through cuts without checking for hidden obstacles. Take your time to inspect the area and proceed cautiously to avoid costly damage or dangerous accidents. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the stress of guessing who's legit. Contractors also get hooked up with real clients looking for their skills, making it easier to book jobs and grow their business.